Welcome to Khadija's World. Today we are gonna read Cooking with the Grinch. Let's start reading. The Grinch goes down to the town. He hears the bell, ding dong, ding dong. He hears the wolves. They sing, sing, sing. He taps the door. It's Cindy Lou. She likes to cook. The Grinch does too. He likes to mix. She likes to stir. She cooks with him. He cooks with her. They make some treats and starts to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max. Oh no, 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 no. Max, you have to go, go, go. The treats are done. Don't let them dip. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves the treats. She saved them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.